Hello students, welcome to my channel. This session will be taking up LCM models. The questions that we get in competitive exams under LCM concept can be broadly classified into three categories. The first category of questions, we call them questions of common remainder. The second category is common difference questions. Third one is neither common remainder nor common difference type questions. What it means, we will discuss each one of them with an example. Let's start with model 1. A common remainder question can be as simple as this. See, find the least number greater than 2 when it is divided by 4, 5 and 6. Always leaves remainder 2. Students, before this session we had a basic session on LCM and SCF wherein we discussed LCM is the least number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. So now tell me, what is the least number that is divisible by 4, 5, 6? I'll come back to this remainder later. The least number that is divisible by 4, 5, 6 is their LCM. So the LCM of 4, 5, 6 is how much? 60. Calculation part I leave it to you. You know how to calculate LCM. 60 is the least number that is exactly divisible by these three given numbers. But I want remainder 2 means my answer should be 2 more than this 60. 60 plus 2, 62. Why it should be 2 more? Let me just give an example. Say 8. Is 8 divisible by 4 exactly? Yes. So 8 is a multiple of 4 rather. 9. 9 when divided by 4, what is the remainder? 4 2s 8, remainder 1. Why there is a remainder 1? Because this 9 is 1 more than 8. Because this 9 is 1 more than 8, which is a multiple of 4, the remainder is 1. So there is a remainder 2 means the given number is 2 more than the common multiple of 4, 5, 6. So hence my answer should be 62. In other words, my answer is nothing but LCM plus remainder. This is the least number I am asking, hence my answer is 62. If I ask you any greater number, it will be in what form means? Any greater number will be in the form of a multiple of LCM plus remainder. So this is a general form or general structure of the number, I can say. So in this particular case, it will be LCM is 60, 60k. What do you mean by 60k? A multiple of 60, 60 into anything plus the remainder. If k is 1, 62, k is 2, 122 kind of thing, right? Now why I said it is greater than 2 means, otherwise someone will say k is 0 and the 2. 2 also when divided by 4, 5, 6, the remainder is 2 every case. No, that's why to be technically correct, I said greater than 2. This looks very simple, right? But the same thing, how it can be also asked in exam. Let's see. Okay, you can pause the video here, read the question and then attempt it and then continue watching it. See, this is, you know the story of GOT, you must be watching that. What the question says, when Daenerys divides her soldiers into troops of 6, 8 and 9, one soldier is always left behind. Let me pause here for a moment. When she divides them 6, 8, 9, one soldier is left behind means, in other words, the number of soldiers when divided by 6, 8, 9 is giving you remainder of 1. First of all, what is the number that is exactly divisible by 6, 8, 9? The least number that is exactly divisible by 6, 8, 9 is their LCM. So what is the LCM of 6, 8, 9? You know how to calculate LCM, it is 72. But I want remainder 1 means the least number that satisfies this particular condition 1. See, this is condition 1, I will say, is 72 plus 1, 73. But my answer cannot be 73. There is a second condition. What is the second condition? When she divides them into troops of 13, no one is left behind. Is 73 divisible by 13? No. 13, 5, 65, 13, 6, 78, no. So hence, I should go for bigger numbers that satisfies this first condition. So any bigger number is in what form? We discussed in the previous question. It will be 72k plus 1. What is that? LCM and its multiple plus remainder. Now for what minimum value of k it will be divisible by 13, we have to find out. 72k plus 1, can I write it as 65k plus 7k plus 1? It should be divisible by 13 exactly, right? Why I'm writing like this is whatever is k value, 65k is always divisible by 13. So the bigger portion of the number I have taken out of the picture, so that going by trial and error and trying 7k plus 1 is divisible by 13 or not is easy. Instead of writing k1 what happens, k2 what happens here with 72. Right. Now, see, there are two approaches here. You can start applying k1, 7 plus 1, 8. Is it SAT divisible by 13? No. K2, 7 2 is 14 plus 1, 15. Is it divisible by 13? No. Like that you can say. But what I suggest is you take 13 multiple, 13th table. 13, is it one more than a multiple of 7k plus 1 means one more than a multiple of 7. Is it? No. 13 2 is 26. Is it one more than 7? No. 13 3 is 39 and so on. When you try 13 6 78 is one more than a multiple of 7. When k is 11, 7 11 77 plus 1 78. So hence when k is 11 minimum, this second condition will be satisfied. If k is 11 minimum, the least number that satisfies your first condition and second condition is k11 means if I substitute in the place of k11, 72 11, 792 plus 1, 793 is the least number of people. You can check 793 when divided by 689 will give you remainder 1, but it is divisible by 13 exactly. But there is one more condition. The question is not asking you what is the least number. The question says if our army has more than 1 lakh soldiers, what is the minimum number of soldiers in our army? So 793 is the least number that satisfies these first two conditions. There is a third condition that it should be more than 1 lakh. That means I should go for higher number. So what is the general form of the number that satisfies now two conditions? Divided by 689, the remainder should be 1. This is condition 1. Condition 2, divided by 13, remainder is 0 means what is the general form of the number means it is LCM of 6, 8, 9 and 13, that is the divisors in the first condition, divisors in the second condition, its multiple plus the least number. What is the least number? 793. This is the least number that satisfies both conditions. What is the LCM of 6, 8, 9, 13? You already got LCM of 6, 8, 9 is 72. For 72, don't again try everything. 72 LCM, 6, 8, 9 LCM is 72. 72 and 13 again, what is LCM? You can say 13 is a prime number. It doesn't have any common factor with 72. Its LCM is product. What is 13? 72 is 936. So the LCM is 936. 936k plus 793 is the general form of the number. Like I write general form of the number for condition 1, I am writing now the general form of the number for the two conditions like this. So 936k plus 793 means the number when divided by 936 gives you a remainder of 793. Now I need a number that is more than 1 lakh, but it should be minimum means, first of all let me check 1 lakh. 1 lakh what happens? If I take 1 lakh, is it divisible by 936 exactly? Let me check. 936 once, 936, 64. Let me bring down 0. It will not go. So put 0 and bring down the next digit. 936 7s, no, 7 3 is 21. It doesn't go 6 times. 636 2 16, 56. If you see 84, 784. 1 lakh when divided by 936, it gives you 784. So 1 lakh cannot be my answer. It should be more than that because my remainder should be when 936k plus 793 means when divided by 936, I should have a remainder of 793. But I have a remainder of 784 means how much should I increase this remainder? 9. The remainder should be increased 9 means the number should be increased by 9. Hence, the number that is more than 1 lakh that satisfies this condition is 1 lakh 9. So the minimum number of soldiers in Daenerys' army is 1 lakh 9. So this is how we get questions, students. Right? Note down and then come to LCM model 2. Common difference. What common difference between what? We will see. Yeah, again, pause the video, read the question, attempt it, and then come back and continue watching it. Look at this. Manchester United, I hope you follow the football. Right, is traveling by its own chartered jet. What it says, when four members 4 members sit in each row, 3 members are left in the last row. What does it mean? Suppose if I have 11 people here, first row 4 people are sitting. Second row also 4 people sit. Next third row, how many people will sit? Only 3 people. Why? 4 plus 4, 8 gone, only 3 are left. That means why the only 3 are left here is this 11 when divided by 4, 4, 2 is 8, remainder is 3. This 2 tells me you will finish completely 2 rounds. The last round you will have 3 because there is a remainder of 3. Similarly, then 3 members are left means the total members of the contingent when divided by 4, there is a remainder of 3. Similarly, when 5 members sit in each row, 4 members left in the last row means when the number is divided by 5, there is a remainder of 4. When 6 people sit in each row, there is 5 are left in the last row means when divided by 6, remainder is 5. If you observe here, remainders are not same. But what you can see here is, if you look at the difference between divisor and remainder, how much it is? 1, 1, 1. There is a common difference between the divisor and the corresponding remainder. Then what is the answer mean? General form of the number means it is LCM minus difference. What is the LCM of 4, 5, 6? You already calculated in the previous one of the questions. LCM of 4, 5, 6 is 60 minus what is the difference? 1. 59 is the least number. Why I should subtract 1 means when it's remainder you are adding, when difference why you are subtracting means the reason is this. When divided by 4, remainder is 3 means had it been 1 more, had I increased this number 1 more, it would have 4 would have gone completely. 3 plus 1, 4 means 4 would have gone completely one more time. Similarly, 4, had it been 1 more, it would have been divisible by 5. When divided by 6, remainder is 5 means if it is increased by 1, it will be divisible by 6. Every time if you are saying had it been 1 more, had it been 1 more means what you have is 1 less. What you have is 1 less than their common multiple. That's why we are subtracting. So easy to remember, when there is a common remainder, add the remainder. When there is a common difference, subtract the difference. So the least number is 59. Any other number that satisfies this condition will be in what form? 60k minus 1. That is LCM and its multiple minus difference. Now here the question asks you to say more than 100 members, what are the minimum people? I need more than 100 members means 59 cannot be my answer. What about 60 into 2? 120 minus 1, 119. Yes, it is more than 100 and it is the least number possible. Hence, my answer should be 119. Right? Okay, so this is how you get model 2 question. Note down and come to LCM model 3. Again, go through the question, attempt it and then continue watching it. Yeah, when Adam divides his team into groups of 9, 5 members are remaining. So what does it mean? The total team members, when they are divided into 9, remainder is 5 means when the number is divided by 5, there is a remainder of 5. When the number is divided by 9, there is a remainder of 5. Eve divides her team into groups of 8 and 2 members are remaining means when the number is divided by 8, remainder is 2. Now if you observe here, there is no common remainder, there is no common difference. The difference is 4 here, the difference is 6 here. Remainders are different. So neither common remainder nor common difference. Then how do we answer the question means? Let's take the first number, basically the bigger divisor. 9 is the bigger divisor. It's bigger divisor means it will be easy to answer. It will involve addition. Smaller divisor I take in, it involves multiplication. Okay. The number when divided by 9, remainder is 5 means what is the general form of the number? The general form of the number that satisfies the first condition is 9k plus 5. But this 9k plus 5, is it divisible by 8 completely? No, it is giving you remainder 2 means 9k plus 5 and divided by 8, there is a remainder of 2. So that means whatever is remainder, if I subtract, it should be divisible by 8 completely. What is 9k plus 5? Minus 2 should be divisible by 8 completely. That is 9k plus 3. 9k means can I write it as 8k plus k? See, every time you break the bigger number into whatever is your divisor, it's multiple and non-multiple, so that the bigger portion will go. You have to try with the smaller portion. So 9k I can write 8k plus k. 5 minus 2, it will be 3. Now tell me 8k plus k plus 3 is divisible by 8 means this is already divisible. K plus 3 should be divisible by 8 means what is the minimum value of k? Minimum value of k is how much? 5. If minimum value of k is 5, the least number that satisfies the condition is 9 into k is 5. 9 5 is 45 plus 5, 50. You can check. 9 5 is 45, remainder is 5. 8 6 48, remainder is 2. Satisfies or not? Yes. So the minimum number, the least number that satisfies these two conditions is 50. Question also asks you what is the minimum number of people in each team means. My answer is 50. However, one extra point here. Suppose if I ask you what is the next number, how do we increase? What is the general form of the number? 9k plus 5 is the general form of the number that satisfies only one condition. I want the number that satisfies both the conditions means, as I said in that second question of LCM model 1, it is LCM of 9 and 8, that is the divisor in the first condition, divisor in the second condition, and its multiple plus the least number that satisfies. In other words, LCM of 9 and 8 is 72, so 72k plus 50. So if k is 1, 122, the next number that satisfies will be 122. The next number thereafter means 72, 2 is 144 plus 50, 194. Like that, we can increase the number. In case instead of asking more than, if they say the number of people should be more than 100 or more than 1000 or more than a certain number, how I can increase means you should know the structure. So these are the three broad categories of questions your LCM concepts can be divided into, right? So please note down, and in the next video we will take up HCF models, and in the meantime please do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload the new video you will get the notifications. And any queries you have, mail to me sr.gorentla1@gmail.com. You can also reach me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn at sr gorentla. Thank you.